Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to refund games on PS4. Now it's a very simple process. So all you have to do is just simply open your PlayStation store on a browser. So just simply type in PlayStation and come to the home page of the store. Now click on support. Again click on support. Now over here in the search panel just simply type in refunds. Then just simply hit enter. Now you will have multiple options, but the option that you are looking for is the first one. How to request a refund. Click on that. Now scroll down and you will find multiple options over here on which type of refunds that you can ask. So there are add-ons, games, subscription and pre-orders. So the one we are looking for is games and add-ons. So choose this option over here. Then click on contact PlayStation support. Then scroll down, then click on PlayStation Store and refunds. Then over here just simply choose PlayStation Store refunds. Then you will have the contact information of the PlayStation support team and just simply email them or talk to them whatever information you have down here. So just simply get in touch with them and then tell them what your situation is and they will help you with your issue. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.